Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Aries? Monday will be filled with extraordinary self-confidence. You will be able to take firm decisions when it comes to work-related issues. You will not face any difficulties in completing your tasks today and will achieve success. You need to guard against getting into any confrontations with your father or other elders. You need to make sure that you get proper sleep this week. Also, that you exercise well and change your eating habits. You shall feel mentally very strong and should take help of relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga to stay healthy. Try to quit all the unhealthy habits that you have to live a life free of tensions. On Tuesday, take a little break and spend some time looking within. At your office, there may be some bitter confrontations. Be very careful and try to prevent things from getting too difficult. In matters of love, a new romance may develop. You may enjoy a peaceful evening with friends. This week, avoid overeating at all costs, as indigestion is indicated. By keeping your tendency to overeat under control, you will prevent many ailments. You will also get relief from a recent ailment towards the middle of the week. However, this doesn't mean you can take your good health for granted. Make sure that you stick to a healthy diet containing fresh fruits and vegetables. Also, an eye problem is indicated, so avoid long hours in front of the computer. On Wednesday, the inner artist in you will come to the surface and you will showcase your imagination powers. You will be able to focus on topics of interest today. Those of you in the field of interest will find themselves moving ahead. There may be a signing of beneficial legal deals today for you. Today is going to be a very good and successful day. Complete physical fitness is indicated. You will be full of energy and determination, and that will keep you in an upbeat, good mood. You may be prone to some nervousness due to your anxieties. Take better care of your dietary habits, as this is a must to maintain stable health. Pursue some divine practices, as that will guide you to keep fitness levels high. On Thursday, you will be soaked in work today. During the day, you may be loaded with duties and responsibilities. However, evening has a different story to reveal. Exciting as ever, a getaway with friends may be liberating and relaxing. You are caught in a whirlpool of emotions. You may come across many ups and downs today. However, nothing seems to deter you from your determination and dedication towards work. You can't bear the weight of the heavy workload anymore. Very cleverly, you will complete your tasks, and slowly but steadily you take the load off your shoulders. Attentive and observant, you meticulously plan your actions and minimize the chances of errors. Today your efforts will not be effectively channelized, but it will not be a bad day also. The day could turn out to be a little monotonous for you. However, with proper planning and acting intelligently, you will achieve success in your endeavors. The day requires you to adopt an easygoing approach to witness better results. By being supportive and humorous, you will be able to handle stress effectively. You also need to be careful with your words while conversing to avoid unpleasant situations. On Friday, you receive some good news from the foreign shores. The day will bring on a positive note, and it will remain like that for the whole 24 hours. You will be in a good mood to marry, and it will be transformed to everyone around you. A reckless attitude is the root cause of any downfall. Ensure responsible behavior and actions at every step at your workplace today. Be alert and focused, and you will be able to dodge any incoming trouble. Today is a day of materialization, and the projects and other things that you have been working on since a long time will draw close to completion and begin to pay off. You will put in sustained efforts to make the day favorable. Be optimistic in carrying out your tasks and curb your anxiety. Spiritual involvement will keep you active. On Saturday, your thoughts and conversations about love, sharing, or cooperation will flow easier after retrograde Venus stations directly in your sign. You'll also be thinking about the future when it comes to a relationship and taking action on the insights that came to you over the past 6 weeks. Then it's ready, aim, fire when your Mars ruler enters your sign. Whether your target is the launch of your new relationship or another goal entirely, you will be superly motivated to achieve your desired outcome. Just be sure to consider the feelings of the people involved. You may have to face more commitments. It is advisable to be patient and take things easy. On Sunday, you're comfortable with contradictions, and today's day hinges on one. You can get exactly what you want so long as you don't try to get it. Let go of your desire to control, open up the heart, and let love flow. Some work-related stress may have you wanting to blow off steam, but quiet time with a certain someone is even more soothing. Your sensible side re-emerges this weekend, and you're able to look at your romantic situation with a realistic and perceptive eye. Take notes so you don't forget. This day will find you bright and optimistic. You will have the confidence to convert even tough tasks into simple ones. You will be more sincere in carrying out your work with efficiency. You will also be able to earn the goodwill of your superiors. You will find yourself relaxed and free while conversing with your partner. This frank approach will enable you to develop more harmony and understanding with your partner.
Money and career.
On Monday, during the first half of the day, your focus will be on the financial needs of veterans in the family. You shall try to do your best for them. You will tend to blow your money on your near and dear ones. You have to stay attentive to money matters. You need to take additional care if you wish to make any sort of investment anywhere. It is prudent to take the guidance of financial experts on matters in which your knowledge is shaky. The week is critical, and due attention needs to be given to every financial transaction. On Tuesday, those engaged in selling and buying in stock market have to be particularly circumspect. Keep an arm's length from speculation-based activities like gambling and lottery. You might spend money on religious work or for purchasing fittings for your home. The week shall be mediocre. On Wednesday, this is going to be a good week for matters concerning finance and money. The week seems to be very favorable for selling or purchasing real estate. Such property deals will prove to be immensely profitable. There is a very thin line of differentiation between overspending and spending where necessary. Do not be a spendthrift. Avoid unnecessary expenses wherever you can. On Thursday, do not shy away from making positive changes if they support and boost your career growth. Businessmen will be able to reap huge profits from deals they make during this week. We advise you to refrain from taking any loans or creating debts during this week. Friday seems to be very promising upon the financial front. You will be able to search for new avenues for generation of additional income. Salaried employees may get a raise in salary coupled with incentives and bonuses. Business will also show a substantial amount of growth during this period. Those involved in the stock market will earn fantastic profits. We would advise that you focus upon avenues of safe investments during this day. Investments like gold, silver, and real estate will prove to be profitable in the near future. Avoid taking unnecessary risks. On Saturday, you will need to be extremely cautious with regards to matters of finance and money. Financial inflow should not be a problem provided you work hard. Be extremely careful prior signing any papers, legal documents, or checks. Doing so may result in major financial loss for you today. Those involved in trading, especially intraday trading of stocks, should be very careful during this period. Keep a very tight leash around unwanted expenses. Being a spendthrift will certainly land you into trouble. Investing money is always a good idea, but refrain from putting all your finances into one basket. Diversified investments are always best. On Sunday, this is not a day to get carried away in emotions with matters pertaining to finance. Your financial situation is going to get substantially better during this period. Monetary benefits are a distinct possibility too. Be particularly diligent about maintaining your accounts. You should always be aware of where your money is coming from and where it is going. You will also be presented with several opportunities to increase your financial inflow. There is a very high probability of incurring high and unexpected expenses. This could have a severely adverse effect upon your finances. Perseverance will be the key factor during this day.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.